Imagine a threat that lurks in the shadows, waiting patiently for years. Attackers can afford to play the long game, maintaining persistence while security tools focus on immediate threats. This makes the long game the most dangerous game. Security tools often miss slow-drip, long-term manipulations. These subtle threats evade detection, allowing attackers to infiltrate systems unnoticed. Understanding this silent threat is crucial for safeguarding your digital assets. Small functions may seem harmless, but they can be chained into powerful exploits. A library with numerous updates might hide evolving threats, making it crucial to scrutinize every change. The phrase, "it's just one function," is a lie. Recognizing the potential danger behind seemingly simple functions is essential for maintaining security. Community-driven code isn't inherently safe. Malicious contributors have infiltrated major projects, exploiting the trust placed in open-source communities. Open source doesn't equal safety by default. Blindly trusting community-driven code is a blind spot for many developers. It's vital to scrutinize contributions and maintain vigilance to protect against potential threats. npm pip and cargo installations often go unchecked. Attackers exploit this lack of manual review, injecting malicious dependencies that go unnoticed. Let's face it, no one reads the code they install. This oversight provides attackers with opportunities to infiltrate systems through seemingly harmless packages. Malicious packages can log and wait without immediate attack. They gather environment variables and credentials, providing attackers with valuable information. Understanding why malicious packages don't need to attack right away is crucial. Their ability to gather data over time makes them a significant threat. Maintain a software bill of materials, SBOM, to track what's in your stack. Knowing who maintains your software is essential for managing potential risks. Learn the importance of tracking what you use. By understanding your software stack, you can better protect against vulnerabilities and threats. Security patches are beneficial, but blind updates are risky. Use pinning and version constraints to mitigate risks and maintain control over your software. Understand why you shouldn't trust auto updates blindly. By managing updates carefully, you can protect your systems from unexpected vulnerabilities. Run dependencies in isolated, disposable environments. Adopting a zero-trust approach for third-party libraries enhances security and protects your projects. Learn how containerizing and sandboxing can protect your projects. By isolating dependencies, you reduce the risk of potential threats infiltrating your systems. Recap. We've explored the silent threats of the long game, deceptive functions, and the open-source illusion. By understanding these risks, you can better protect your digital assets. Takeaway. By adopting a zero-trust approach and managing your software stack, you'll enhance security and safeguard your systems against potential threats. Call to action: start tracking your software stack today. Implement a zero-trust approach and scrutinize every update to protect your digital assets. Together, we can create a safer digital environment. Take action now to secure your systems and stay ahead of potential threats.